Hello and welcome from Ahorn Mülheim, which is near Dusseldorf in Germany. So this is one of the three mainline dealers, and we've got this Ahorn camp with single beds. This is a Canada AE and it'll cost, starting price is around 45,000. This has got about 9,000 euros of extras, so we'll have a look at it. As you can see, it's on the Renault Master, and I've got some of the information up here. So Renault Master 2.3, 145 horsepower, Euro 4D, and so it's 747 centimeters by 237 by 306 at its highest point. And I said 9,000 worth of extras. Well, it's near 10 actually. Well, 9.5. And and the most expensive is the Renault chassis packet. And if you're wondering how much the awning costs, 4-meter awning is 880. And if you want a driver AC, then you're looking at 1,500 for that. And it'll only work when the engine's on. Right. It's a, what in German, I'm going to start saying this word because I don't like the word overcab or cab over. Never really learned what it's supposed to be. I might start saying alcove. I might do. I'm not saying I will start saying it, but I might start calling this the alcove. And right, have you got enough room up there? Well, there's not a lot of room at the back down at the very front. So whether or not you get, well, so you get two people in there, but just point out there isn't a huge amount of space at the front there. Window, I think there's at least one window. This one here, it's got that up there for some reason, and I don't know why. It might be a good reason. Right, plenty of space up there for storing things. Oh, and a nice, oh, I like that. It's very nice finish to that. Anyway, let's go at the back as well, then I'll come down to the front and start rabbiting on about the front. Let's go at the back. So we've got the single bed layout. Single beds layout, that's the word. I have just filmed an older model, and in the older model, at the very back, there's a wardrobe as well. Now, it gives you an idea what it looks like underneath. Anything down here? There you go, nothing. Whether or not you want a wardrobe there or not, don't know. Maybe you want to see the person you're sleeping with, or maybe you don't, who knows. I got a lot of space in there. Let's have a look on this one as well. This is where the boiler is. There's your boiler, and because it's a boiler in here, you've got the ventilation into the garage. And you can't really do much else though around the boiler. Obviously this is a bit to make the bed even bigger, and and a ladder to get the bed up front. Now there should be something, that bit to fill in here to make the bed even bigger, should you want it. Oh, the ladder could also be used to get in here. Up the top here we have, well, okay, there's not, you say that, that's how much space there is, right? Well, I suppose it's better than some companies do. What can you stick up there? Any ideas? Let's have a look at space here. Lighting is, I think, quite effective. You have to see the used model, the 2018 model, in a separate video, because this is actually quite different to this. Although never have the doors come off. Three burners as standard. Bit of space there. Also good thing, domestic plug hole, and I can open that now. I can open that, still open that now. This is my central locking. Now, well, that's that needs a bit. Oh, this one's central lock, so I think the one at the top needs a bit of attention to it. Anyway, so that's central. Anyway, so it should be central locking, but I'm sure they'll fix that for you before you took the thing away. It's what happens is people come in doing videos and they break things. Oh, and there's your gas. I had this idea today of doing videos which are only 3 minutes in length, but I'm now coming to the conclusion I don't know if I could actually manage to do things within 3 minutes. Captain's chairs, they will turn round. You can see the thing below down there to actually turn it round. I don't like myself having the handbrake in the middle. Nothing but the Renault Master is it's a bit wider than, for example, the Fiat Ducato. This is 237 centimeters in length. Anyway, let's just sit down here. Oh, and have a look around. So it also comes with a reversing camera, that's €700, ISOFIX 290. The big fridge, the extra big fridge, is 690 extra, and it's got a Truma gas filter as well here, which is 99. And if you want delivery, I don't know, you might be bothered with delivery, but if you want delivery, it's an extra 1,850. I don't know if you can just say no, I'll just go and pick it up from the factory myself and save myself the 1,850. I don't know if you can do that. So, I don't think I opened this one. Anyway, so what do you think of my idea about doing a 3-minute video? I'm not certain how to pack everything into 3 minutes. Alright, anyway, let's have a look on the outside. Let's see, I didn't open that to show you inside the garage. Doors at both sides, framed windows included. So as it says, it's from 44,700. Note the word from. So there you have it, Canada from Ahorn, single beds at the back and double in the overcab, the alcove as they say in German. And I'm at Ahorn in Mülheim, and should you be interested, then please contact them here. So thanks very much for watching, and all the best from Germany.